Welcome student, myself Dr. Shilpa Bosle, Assistant Professor, Dempe College of Arts and Science, Miramar, Goa. Program Bachelor of Science, 3rd year, Subject Botany, Semester 5, Course Code BOD 103, Course Title Economic and Medicinal Botany. The title of the unit is Popular Medicinal Plants and Plant Drugs. The module name is the chief chemical constituent and uses of drugs from Piper longum, Syzygium cumini, Strychnos nux vomica plants. Outline: brief introduction and chief chemical constituents of Piper longum, Syzygium cumini, Strychnos nux vomica plants. Use of the drugs from Piper longum, Syzygium cumini, Strychnos nux vomica plants. Learning outcomes from this module is to list out the chemical constituent of Piper longum, Syzygium cumini, Strychnos nux vomica plant. It also points out the uses of drugs from Piper longum, Syzygium cumini, Strychnos nux vomica plant. Today, we are going to learn in this module 3 important medicinal plant and their chemical constituent from this plant which is used as drug. Coming to the first plant is Piper longum, and this belongs to the family Piperaceae. In the first slide, you can see the picture of the Piper longum plant with the fruit. Commonly, this plant is known as pimply. Piper longum and the source which is used for the drugs are the fruits. In the picture, you can see Piper longum fruits. The chief chemical constituent of this plant is piperine, rutin, beta-caryophyllene, piperyline, pepperolinones, and pepperamine. If you see the plant, you also have the suberines, pyrines, and pentadecane. The beta-bisabolene and linalool also present. Lamininone is also one of the chemical constituent of this plant. In this picture, you can see the entire plant fruiting in the habit. Use of the drug. It is used in cough, asthma, and treatment of flatulence, that is the accumulation of gas in the alimentary canal. The gout, that is a type of arteries that causes inflammation of joints due to excess uric acid. It also treats the condition resulting in inflammations of the voice box due to overuse or infections by the viruses. It also treats the abdominal tumors and ulcers, gastric ulcers. It also improves the digestive system. It enhances the immune system. There also enhances the bioavailability of the food and the drugs. It is also used as carminative, that is, it relieves the flatulence. It also useful in improving the appetite, basically for the food and the digestion. It treats the stomach pain, also indigestion and related treatment in stomach, the intestinal gases and diarrhea. This plant basically heals the improvement of appetite and digestion. Coming to the next plant is the Syzygium cumini. If you see the picture, you can see the big plant of cumini in the habit, and the next picture is showing the flowering and the leaves. Here this plant belongs to Myrtaceae family and commonly known as Jambolene, the Kamini plant, also called as the Malabar plum or the black plum, Java plum, and the plant source is the bark and the seeds. This plant is very common and can be used in treatment of many diseases. If you see, the bark and the ripe fruits are the main source of the chemical constituent in this plant. Here in the next picture, you can see the flowers and the bark. The bark plays an important chemical constituent in this plant. Chief chemical constituent, the plant is rich in compounds containing anthocyanins, glycosides, ellagic acid, and many flavonoid, myricetin, the flavonoid class of polyphenolic compounds with antioxidant properties. Now here the seeds are to claim containing alkaloid, jumbosin, and glycosides jumbolin. It is also have the antimelin or the jumbolin which is present and which halts the diastatic conversion of the starch into sugar. So basically, the use of these flavonoid classes in different diastatic conversion. Now, use of this drug is the plant has been used as anti-diabetic. People use this fruit directly consumed by people who have diabetes, and numerous medicines are also reported regarding this plant and scientific reports on anti-diabetic effect. Now, people have been using this plant in industries and in medicinal purposes, Ayurvedic medicine as well as allopathy. You get tablets as well as the powder form. And many literatures are cited behind the Cumini plant and the fruit. The next plant is Strychnos nux-vomica. And if you see this plant, in the photograph, nux vomica, the fruits which are orange in color and also known as kazro, commonly called and crow figs or karo, and is used in the local medicine. If you see the fruit, it's slight orangish, and if you just cut open, here you can see the seeds. The main source of the chemical constituent are the seeds, and the fruit should be ripe. This is showing in the picture the ripe fruit, and the seeds are of the main important or chemical constituent. Now here you have 1.5 to 5% of beta indole alkaloids which are contained in the seeds. And the chief chemical constituents are strychnine or uracil, while others are also added to the seeds like pseudo strychnine and strychninizin, and also fats are produced, and main component is bomycin, which constitute the entire in the seeds and the fruit, the main chemical constituent which are present in the seeds. So seeds are very important in this plant. Here the plant that is nux vomica is used as beta tonic. Most of the stomach ailments are treated with the seeds, and it has a bitter taste, and also it can be said that it stimulates to the central nervous system. People use in the nervous system diseases and a tonic for your stomach. It increases the blood pressure and also recommended in certain forms of cardiac failures. Also, it is used in the nervous disorders and paralysis, stimulates the respiratory and cardiovascular system. Now here, if you say that paralysis also is a type of a disease, or which can happen to a person where the ability to move in parts or most of the body, which is resulting in illnesses or poisons or injury, can be cured by using the seeds. These are the reference which I use. Thank you, students.